Hello there, Vanda here of Raw and Well. Today, I am going to show you how to do Dr. Morse's Heal All Tea according to the directions on the package here. Okay, so I have some water that I brought to a boil already. So it will only take a few seconds when I put it on the stove to bring it back to a boil, right? And I have 2 cups in there. I have 4 cups in there. So I have one of these full in there to boil, right? And once this water comes to a boil, I'm gonna take 2 teaspoons, 2 nice rounded teaspoons. That's Dr. Morse's Heal All Tea. I have 2 teaspoons in here, and I'm gonna throw it in there. I'm gonna swish it around a little bit. This is boiling now. And I'm gonna cover it, lower the heat to about half of that, where it's a nice moving, not a rolling boil. You want like a good simmer going, right? And we're gonna simmer that for 7 minutes. So usually I set my timer for 7 minutes. When that's done, I let it cool a little bit, and then I put it into a jar. I strain it. Let me show you what I use. I use a triple mesh sieve. It's stainless steel, and once that cools down a little bit, after the 7 minutes, I'll pour it through here into this jar. I let it cool completely, and then I will put a top on it and either consume it right away. I usually like mixing it with another tea. And so I'll do another video on different ways of consuming and using Dr. Morse's Heal All Tea, because it's not just for drinking. We could use it for many things, and I think this tea should be in everybody's first aid kit. All right, so once that's cooled down completely and I've strained it into here, I then either use it right away or put it in the refrigerator for later use. And I like it cold when I make another tea to cool this down a little bit. So that's how to make Dr. Morse's Heal All Tea as per instructions on the bag. Much love to you. Bye for now.